Menteri Cabinet bat ubalongru Working President kaseng United Democratic Party iba po lingdo iloong ba ka Thong Jong kaseng kalong ban Pynkhlain na ka Bynta ka Ilekshon Lok Sabha. Iloong bahalor ki matrekam ba pher ha ka por yalap election las ngau tho do kirtong jong ki na do bala penbana ya ukirtong bapura. Iloong ba ki don ki mat ki balong ki ba kham khongsan bat kalong ka badon kam ban jiet ki matrekam ki ba biang bat ki balong ki ba yahap halok Sabha.
Well, various issues have already been spelled out by our candidate at when he was declared as the official candidate. Those issues are very vital, and we're fortunate that we have been able to select the best possible issues which are relevant to the Lok Sabha. And that apart, since two major regional parties have come together under this alliance, and also at a time when the aspirations of regional parties is going to be a major focal point of the Lok Sabha elections.